rewind back to the day when this controversy erupted, the first thing which the defense minister alluded to was the possibility of a hacking, which subsequently has turned out to be completely baseless. I would not use the word untrue. After that, the contractor, DCNS, tried to shift the onus onto India, saying that the leak may have emanated from India. After that, the Defense Minister of India goes on record to say that no details about the weapon system have been made public. Immediately after that, the gentleman who's following the story for the Australian newspaper, Cameron Stewart, if I get the name correctly, tweeted saying that he will put out the details of the weapon system on Monday. So had the Defense Minister of India had access to those 22,400 odd pages before he made the claim that the details of the weapon system are not out in the public domain. Now reports suggest that the information is not only with the Australian newspaper, it is with some unnamed Australian national who has all these 22,000 odd pages in his possession. So even if the company was to go and get an injunction from the New South Wales Supreme Court that the data should not be published, how does it really matter? Because the information in any case is in the possession of people who are not supposed to have access to it. And this raises some very serious questions. Ever since the story broke, has Government of India asked DCNS that they had a contractual obligation to maintain secrecy? The contract between the Government of India and the contractor envisages that secrecy of the entire project needs to be maintained. Has Government of India asked DCNS that how the security got compromised? Have they initiated some steps under the contract in order to mitigate the situation? The DNA of any submarine or any underwater platform is its opacity. Every boat has a specific signature, and various experts have now come out in the public domain to say that if details about that specific signature of the boat are in the public domain, then the security and safety of that submarine stands compromised. during the Cold War, the US and the USSR had actually spent zillions of man hours tracking each other's submarines in order to obtain the specific signature. And here, India's adversaries may actually get it for free. And the Defense Minister of India says that the operational preparedness of the Scorpene program has not been compromised. Number two are the spectrum frequencies with regard to the sonar radar, which is used for locating targets. So therefore, if those frequencies of the sonar are out in the public domain, your adversaries can easily take preemptive action. And the Defense Minister of India says that operational preparedness has not been compromised. Most importantly, the propulsion mechanism of the boat, which goes to the basic design of the submarine, something which is extremely difficult to alter. Once that is out in the public domain, it essentially means that all the stealth capabilities of your submarine stand completely compromised. And the reason why this is all the more important, because the first of those 6 Scorpene submarines, INS Kalaveri, is as we speak undergoing sea trials. So you may have a situation that the first Scorpene, if I kindly have your attention please, that the first Scorpene of India's submarine fleet may already ostensibly stand compromised.